Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make spring roll, or we call in Thai is a pao pia. This is the most popular Thai order appetizer in restaurants. Super easy and simple, and it tastes so much better when you make it with your own, and it's great for a party, and I hope you guys like this. And for this recipe, I will put the filling with the vegetable, no meat. But if you like to add meat, it's fine for the pork, chicken, or the shrimp. First, let's prepare everything here. I have some cabbage and also carrot and the garlic. I'm going to cut them with the slice them into the thin slice. For the carrot, we are going to slice it into the little pieces. And for the vegetable, you can add other vegetable as you like. Then we are preparing our seasoning sauce by we use the 3 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. One tablespoon of the soy sauce. For the ingredients, I will put in the description box below. Half teaspoon of the sugar and half teaspoon of the pepper. Then mix everything well. Here I have some grass noodle that has been soaked in the water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or you can use a tweezer or to cut a little bit and make sure it's not too long, and also discard the water as well. Into the pan, you are going to add your vegetable oil and also some garlic. Put it on a medium-high heat. And add all vegetable, cabbage and carrot, and then stir well. Add also some grass noodle and stir them together. And after, you are going to add your seasoning sauce. And if it's dry, you can add a bit of the water to make sure it's softened. And now it's okay, everything is mixed well and all is cooked. And here I have some spring roll wrapper here and also the egg white. We need to use the egg white for stick the spring roll together. And here I'm going to peel it off into the thin slice and I'm going to wrap with the white egg. And after that, you are going to lie your spring roll wrapper into the flat surface. Just put a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of your filling and just roll them up and fold the side of the wrapper toward the center. And just roll them up again and then just put a little bit of the white egg and just roll them up and make sure it's tightly and secure. Continue to do the same until it's finished. And now it's ready to fry. I have some cooking oil that has been heated for about 3 minutes on the medium high heat and just making sure it's really hot. And after, you are going to graduate your spring roll inside and you are going to fry it for about 5 to 8 minutes. So it might look for golden color, and if you see the golden brown color, it means your spring roll done. And just remove that and put in your paper towel or cooking rack to remove all the extra oil. This is super popular appetizer in restaurant. It's now ready to make it from your kitchen. This crispy, delicious, and it's really isn't hard to make it at all. And now it's ready. You can eat with our sauce. For the sauce recipe, I will put in the description box below. It's very easy to make it. I hope you give this try for this recipe and see you next time.